Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country inspired home decor ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country inspired home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorative style that mixes old-fashioned charm with rustic country simplicity. It feels cozy, lived-in, and full of character, like stepping into a beautiful countryside cottage with items that have stories behind them. Vintage country decor blends vintage elements like old, charm, antique style features with country style comfort, like natural materials, handmade touches, and simplicity. It usually includes that old chippy paint furniture, soft pastels or earthy colors, antique accessories, floral or gingham patterns, handcrafted items. Main features of vintage country style: soft and cozy color palette. Use cream, off-white and beige, soft blues, rose green, dusty roses. Natural wood tones. These colors create a calm and inviting mood. Rustic time-worn furniture. Furniture may look distressed, velvet, handmade, repainted in pastel shades. Think old wooden tables, open shelving, and classic cottage-style cabinets. Use vintage accessories. Typical decor items include enamel jugs, vintage clocks, old metal buckets, rustic baskets, antique mirrors, and urn books. They bring history and character into the room. Use natural materials like raw wood, linen, cotton, wicker, jute. These materials keep the home crowded and authentic. Cottage-like patterns, popular patterns, florals, gingham, polka dots, stripes, used on cushions, curtains, bedding, and tablecloths. Handmade charm. Vintage country decor often includes DIY or handcrafted pieces like crochet troughs, knitted blankets, handmade wall art, repurposed wood crafts. This makes the home feel personal and soulful. How vintage country decor feels. It gives a feeling of warmth, simplicity, nostalgia, homey comfort, peaceful countryside living. It is perfect for people who love simple living with sentimental touches. Vintage country decor is not just a decoration style, it is a feeling. It blends nostalgia with vintage charm with rural comforts. The result is a home that feels warm, gentle, peaceful, and full of stories. Think of it as a style that honors the past, handmade craftsmanship, natural beauty, simple living. The heart of vintage country style. Vintage country decor celebrates old objects with history. Furniture that looks like it has been passed down through generations. Used aged oak, chipped paint, antique jar handles, all add character. Rural simplicity, items that feel natural, handcrafted, and comforting. A lived-in, loved feel. Nothing looks too perfect. The beauty comes from imperfection. Materials that define the style. Vintage country relies heavily on natural, earthy, and rustic materials. Wood. Used trees, wooden tables, wooded shelves, natural pine or oak cabinets. Textiles use linen, cotton, crochet, and lace. With soft blankets, floral quilts, handmade covers. Metal accents, galvanized metal buckets, enamel pictures, vintage lanterns. These materials bring warmth and nostalgia at the same time. Furniture style. Furniture is usually minimal but charming, not modern or glossy. Often repainted or upcycled, practical and simple. Examples: a whitewashed wooden cupboard, a farmhouse table with turned legs, an old chair with a floral cushion, a vintage dresser with brass handles. Next, patterns and textures. Vintage country is known for soft, nostalgic patterns. Its floral prints, small cottage florals are the most iconic. Gingham and checks, perfect for tablecloths, cushions, and kitchen decor. Stripes and polka dots, used to create a peaceful cottage feel. Textures such as lace, crochet, and knitted textiles help add a handmade charm. Decor items that bring the vibe. A vintage country home often includes antique style decor, clocks, mirrors, lamps, old picture frames. Country kitchen features ceramic jars, vintage teapots, wooden cutting boards. Handmade touches, crocheted covers, painted sign, DIY wall shelves. Nature inspired decor is fresh or jet flowers, wicker baskets, rattan trays. This make the house feel warm and personal. The feeling it creates, vintage country interiors feel bright because of light colors, natural because of wood and earthy materials, graceful because of floral patterns, comforting like a cozy countryside cottage. Nostalgic because of vintage touches, it is a style that calms the mind and warms the heart. Here is even more deep, emotional, and practical information about vintage country inspired home decor. This will help you understand the style in a fuller, more artistic way. The atmosphere and soul of the style. Vintage country decor is built around a very specific mood, a feeling of peaceful rural life mixed with old-time charm. It brings together the softness of vintage nostalgia, the warmth of country living, the simplicity of farmhouse lifestyle. It is the kind of decor where the home feels loved, lived in, and cherished. Emotion behind the style. Vintage country decor is not fancy or modern. It is meant to feel calm. Soft colors and old objects create a gentle, relaxing environment. Homey. Often baskets, old books, handmade items makes the house feel personal. Sunlit. Light pastel colors reflect natural light beautifully. Sentimental. Every page feels like it has a little story or memory behind it. Vintage country signature look. Here are the exact things that give this style its identity. Its distressed wood. Looks like it has aged naturally, never shiny or perfect. Chippy paint furniture, white, cream, or pastel paint that looks slightly worn. Handcrafted fabrics, crochet tireless, lace runners, quilted blankets, embroidered cushions. Floral everywhere. Small cottage florals are a big part of the style, soft, romantic, and nostalgic. Rustic country items, wicker trays, wooden cradles, glass jars, old lanterns, window stains. This bring the country feel. The deep meaning of colors. Vintage country colors are calming because they mimic nature and old cottages. Use whites and creams, symbolize simplicity and purity. Use soft pastels, sauces mint, dusty pink, and powder blue. They add sweetness without being too bright. Earthy tones. Use warm browns, beige, oatmeal. They ground the room and create warmth. The whole palette is gentle, never bold or loud. Texture is everything. In vintage country decor, texture adds comfort and cottage charm. Use rough textures like wood, jute rugs, wicker baskets. Soft textures, crochet, knit blankets, lace, linen curtains. The mix of these textures is how it makes the home feel warm and cozy. Rooms designed in vintage country style. Here is how this decor transforms different areas. First, living room. Use light sofas, floral cushions, wicker baskets, and vintage coffee table. Next, kitchen. Use open shelves, enameled mugs, wooden cutting boards, and floral curtains. Bedroom. Use quilted bedding, pastel furniture, and soft lighting. Entryway. Use wicker baskets, rustic hooks, a small wooden console. Dining area. Use a farmhouse table, mismatched chairs, floral table genre. Each room feels pure, simple, and quietly beautiful. Lighting in vintage country decor. Soft lighting is essential, not too bright, not too modern. Popular lighting choices: warm toned bulbs, antique style lamps, oven or fabric lampshades, candle style lights. It creates a gentle, romantic glow. Decorative details that make the style shine. Here are small details that define the style: window frames, brass candle holders, floral artwork, lace table runners, rattan trays, soft chinked cushions, galvanized metal buckets, farmhouse sign, old books stacked decoratively. These tiny touches complete the vintage country story. The soul message of vintage country decor. This decor style says, life doesn't have to be perfect. Simple things are beautiful. Handmade is meaningful. All things have value. Home should feel peaceful. That is the heart of vintage country style. The hidden philosophy behind the style. Vintage country decoration is more than design. It is a lifestyle mindset that values simplicity over luxury, warmth over perfection, memories over trends, nature over artificiality. It came from old rural homes where people reused, repaired, handmade, and cherished items. Nothing was wasted, nothing was overly modern, everything had a story. The philosophy is why vintage country decor feels comforting, peaceful, and soulful. The storytelling aspects. Every object in a vintage country home whispers something. A faded photo frame tells a family story. A chipped wooden table shows years of shared meals. A crochet tablecloth reflects someone's patience and skill. Old metal jugs feel like it came from an old farmhouse kitchen. The beauty is in the imperfection and history. In this style, things don't have to be matte. They simply have to feel loved. The sensory experience. Vintage country decor is not just visual, it is sensory. Airy and calming. Use soft colors and simple lines. Create a breathable, open feeling. Soft textures everywhere. Linen curtains sway gently. Crochet cushions add softness. Quilted blankets bring comfort. Natural scents. Use fresh flowers, oud, cotton, and sometimes a hint of lavender. Warm light, soft lamps and candles make the space glow. Like a late afternoon in the countryside, the home feels alive, gentle, and nurturing. The old meets natural balance. Vintage country style blends two worlds. Vintage equal history, memories, and stories. Use old clocks, antique mirrors, repainted cupboards. Country equal nature, warmth, and simplicity. Use oud, wicker, cotton, jute, and plants. When combined, they create a space that feels timeless yet natural, like stepping into a peaceful cottage from a simpler era. The soul of vintage country furniture. Vintage country furniture is never modern, sleek, or shiny. Instead, it feels softly owned, repaired, repainted, slightly chipped, and handmade. Examples: an old bench with a cushion, a small wooden nightstand with floral knobs, a painted dresser with slow closing drawers, a farmhouse table with a linen runner. Furniture feels gentle and lived in. Floral culture in vintage country style. Florals are a big part of this aesthetic, but they are never bold or modern. They are tiny cottage florals, watercolor style prints, pastels, faded, or softly patterned. Often used on curtains, cushions, bedding, and wallpaper. The mood vintage country creates. A room decorated in this style feels like warm, nostalgic, gentle, and emotionally comforting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.